Hey, it's Sylvia from Big Agnes, and I'm here to introduce our Sage Canyon shelters. The Sage Canyon comes in 3 sizes and is the perfect large sunshade or group shelter. These shelters have 2 larger, wide-open entry points and 2 open side walls. The Sage Canyon Shelter Plus and Deluxe are large enough to place over a picnic table. The 3D roof vents provide airflow and help stability in wind. Ground-level webbing frame creates additional structure stability, and these shelters come ready to pitch with pre-cut guy lines and tensioners attached. Inside, you'll find interior loops for hanging accessory walls and mounting glow tent lights. The exterior loops allow the accessory wall to awning out for additional shelter coverage. The accessory wall, sold separately, can be attached to any side with toggles. This provides full coverage on the sides and partial coverage on the front and back openings. The Sage Canyon Plus and Deluxe sizes also have an accessory mesh insert option. The floorless mesh body and mud flaps keep buzzing bugs at bay. 2 doors allow for easy entry and exit, and exterior toggles attach easily to the shelter gear loops. Store gearboxes, bikes, coolers, and food tables inside the mesh insert, sold separately. Keep your gear and your friends out of the elements for any occasion with their Sage Canyon shelters.